So guys, in this video we'll be looking at how to download the latest Wood Future Health app, and then for the incoming investors as well, you can be able to register on the new app very easily. So we'll be taking our time in this video to explain how you can download the updated app, which is more user friendly, as well as register successfully on the app. So as you can see on this link down in the description area of one of my content, you can just tap on this link here to take you directly to Play Store where you can download the app. So let's dive in. Here we are. So this is the latest woodpecker app, which you can easily download. It's not even as heavy as the old version. So you can just tap on install here. You can tap on install here. You can just tap on it. Let's go. Here we are. So we tap on install. So we are still trying to install the app. Okay. So guys, we just finished downloading the app now because it took us so much time because of the network challenges. So we now open the app. So here we are. The app has just opened. Still loading up. So here we are. As you can see, the app is in Chinese language. To change this language from China to English, you should tap on this icon here. That's your profile icon. You tap on it. When you tap on it, it will bring you directly here. So at this point, you tap on this Chinese option here. When you tap on it, it will take you to where you can find English language too. Here we are. This is English language. This is English language here. So you tap on it too, and then it will come back to English language. So mind you, you should take note, when you download the app, it always comes in Chinese form. So you just follow the steps previously indicated, and then you switch it back to English language. Afterwards, you can now continue with your registration. That means you can either register with your email or phone number. Advisably, you register with your email. So you tap on this same my icon. You tap on it. Then it will bring you here where to register an account. As you can see, you tap on this place, register an account. So tap on it. Here you can either register with your phone number or email, as you can see here. So we choose to register with our email. So here, so let me enter the email address and password as well. Once you enter your email address, let's see. You enter your email address here. You'll be sent a verification code. You tap on this send verification code, which you eventually enter in this box. You enter your verification code in this box. You enter your verification code in this box. sorry, you enter your verification code in this very box, and then the invitation code of whoever has invited you will be entered here too. Invitation code will be entered here, while the set login password also will be set up here, and then you confirm the password here as well. So let's dive in. We'll be working with this email. So you should know that once you enter your email address and you tap on send a verification code, it appears on that box automatically. When you tap on this send verification code, it appears in the box automatically. You don't need to go to your email address and your inbox and copy out the code. So let's tap on this box as you can see right here. So once you tap on it, the code appears automatically. As you can see, code sent, which has already appeared here. So we quickly fill in the verification, that's the referral code. Let's go back and copy our referral code. Where is our code? Where can we find it? Okay, so we'll go back. We can get the code from our description box in the YouTube. Just copy the code. As you can see, this is the code. This is the code right here.